Welcome to another video. I think cosmetically my eyes have healed a little bit, so I think it's good enough for me to remove my matrix glasses. It's not perfect. Instead of looking like a straight up demon, I look like a gamer who's forgot to blink for 6 hours. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take them off. Okay, it's not too noticeable on the camera. If you don't like my eyes, deal with it. Because today we do have Yeezy foam runners releasing. It's been a while since I've ran a big setup, but today it's worth doing for sure, 100%. I've never done super well on foam runners before, and I'm hoping that changes. Processing on one. Payment declined. Good job, dude. Good. Yeah, probably. Did they have good stock? Alright, so stock flew. That's that. So we're gonna set up for Yeezy supply now. Need a lot of pairs, that's all I can say.
Proxy.
Valor. Nice, dude. You hit it on what bot? I don't know why I can't hit on what bot. My captures are horrific. Bro, I don't know what happened. It looked like I got captcha loop somehow on check AIO because I was solving hella captchas and my tasks were still on waiting for checkpoint. So I don't know what that's about, but there was a lot of stock on Kith and I definitely should have hit on that. Damn it. Alright, so the Yeezy Sulfurs came in. Honestly, not much to say about these shoes. Decent, clean colorway. It's just like any of the other foam runners. Nothing really special about these in my opinion. And that's about it. Anyways, I believe the next major Yeezy release are going to be the Yeezy Slides. Onyxes are going to be restocking, Pures are going to be restocking, Green Glows are going to be restocking. And I'll get to use Trickle for the very first time on that release. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'll see you guys in the next one.